Hello everyone, so in this video we want to identify the compounds with polar covalent bonds from this list below. So we have four different compounds that we have here. So what is polarity? Polarity in covalent bonds arises as a result of differences in the electronegativities of the bonded atoms. The difference in electronegativity results in the separation of charge, creating a dipole moment. So the compounds that contain bonds with a dipole among the given molecules is going to be, let's highlight this in red. So we have CH₃Cl as well as our H and F compound. So the electronegativity difference between our carbon and our chlorine, as well as our hydrogen and fluorine, makes both of these bonds polar. So we can actually use the electronegativity values that we can either find given to you by a professor, found in your textbook, or even found online. If we take the electronegativity difference, so that equation is, so we use the equation of delta En. So what this delta means is the change in. We're talking about the change in electronegativity. So that's lowercase e and capital N. So we're taking the absolute value of the electronegativity value of, let's say, hydrogen minus that of fluorine. So of course, it doesn't really matter what order we do it in. We could take the electronegativity of fluorine minus the electronegativity of our hydrogen. Because we are taking the absolute value, we just want to see the difference in these values. So we see, if we do the calculations for all four of the atoms found in four of our compounds here, then we can see that the one with the greatest electronegativity difference is going to be indeed our CH₃ cell as well as our H and F. So again, these answers, or this question is asking us for the compounds that contain a polar covalent bond, and that is going to be the ones that we have highlighted. So again, that is CH₃Cl and HNF. So those two are going to be my final answers for this problem.